Juices up, down, all around, all around. How are you, little angels? It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. Someone to remind me our vocabulary since we started talking about money. We've talked about money. What else have we talked about? What did you say money is? Money is something you can use to buy something or pay for something. Very good. What about that thing you buy for? What is that thing you buy that you can carry home? Teacher, you said that is a good. Very good. You like good goodies. What about that thing you pay for? You don't carry the thing home, but just pay for. How do you call it? It's called a service. Very nice. We have also talked about spending, and you've said what is spending? Spending is to use. And we talked about some of the rules that govern this spending. We said, what are some of the rules that govern spending? Rule number 1, spend wisely. Don't just buy anything. Buy things that are of importance to you. Rule number 2, you leave something small. After you spend, you leave something small. Wow, that's nice. And when you leave that thing, do you go tomorrow and buy something without that money that has left? No. What are you supposed to do to that money? Teacher, you save. Wow. Have you seen people saving before? Yes, my mommy goes to the bank to get money that she saved there. Very good. Do you believe you can save money elsewhere apart from the bank? Yes, teacher. Where? There are those banks at home. We call them the home banks. Or, that is where we get the name piggy bank. This is a small bank kept at home. It can be kept under the bed. It can be kept in a cupboard, in a suitcase. It depends on where you want to keep it. But anytime you go somewhere, spend something, you spend wisely, you don't spend everything, and you come back home with something little remaining from the money you had. And that is when you do what? You save in that piggy bank. When you talked about Janet going to Pendo's shop, Janet went and bought a pear, which was how much? 10 shillings. An orange, which was how much? 25 shillings. What else did Janet buy? A book, which was 35 shillings. So when you talk about 25 plus 10 plus 35 shillings, you get, what do you get? This is 70 shillings. So when Janet gave the shopkeeper 100 shillings, Janet received some money back from the shopkeeper. It was which one and which one? A 20 shilling coin and a 10 shillings coin. They're going to the shop like that and getting the orange, a pear, and a book. That is what we call spending. Then the Janet pays the shopkeeper the money, and the shopkeeper gives Janet what? Change. When Janet comes home with this change, will Janet say, now tomorrow I'm going to get chocolates with the money that I remain with? No. Janet will eat what she bought today and say, now this money that has remained from my spending, I will do what? I will keep it in my saving box. And this one is what we call the piggy bank. Are we together? Are we together? Did you carry yours from home? Remember, I told you yesterday, you come with a 20 shilling coin. How many have the 20 shilling coin? Teacher, me. So all of you have it. Good. So after this lesson, we want to visit the nearby shop, the grocery. You go and spend. I'm not going to tell you how you're going to spend. You ask the shopkeeper. When you reach there, you first ask the shopkeeper, how much is this and how much is this? When you find out how much is it, now you'll decide how you will spend your 20 shillings. And we said rules of spending, you must spend your money wisely and do not spend everything. So when you go there are those who are going to buy sweets, only sweets. There are those who will buy biscuits. There are those who will buy their own stories, the ice creams. Have I said You go buying things there. And remember, you must know, I have 20 shillings. I've not carried 100 shillings. Don't go in insisting, I want chocolate. And chocolate is not less than 20 bob. Don't go and insist, I want that ice cream, the vanilla one. And that one is not 20 shillings. Make sure when you're going to spend, you're looking at your money versus what you want to buy. So if you go there, the grocery has fruits, it has vegetables, of course it has candies, it cannot miss candies, but you're the one to make a choice if you want candies and visit the dentist, or if you want fruits and maintain healthy teeth. And the shop has also chocolates. So we must make our budget very well. When I asked the shopkeeper told me fruits at least they go for 10 shillings. A banana, an orange, a pear, they all go for 10 shillings. That old lady has sugarcane also. So we also have sugarcane. So you know what to do with your money. And sugarcane is also 10 shillings. So we said first thing before you visit a shop, you must have a what? A budget of what you want to go and buy. And I'm just giving you a breakdown of things that old woman is selling. So we have candies, and she said we have candies as little as 1 shillings to as much as 10 shillings. So you're the one to decide which candy do you want. She has chocolates, and chocolates, there are those that go for 30 shillings, there are those that go for 80 shillings. Then we have vegetables, there are those that go for as little as 5 shillings. So when we reach at the shop, at least you have an idea of what exactly do you want. Remember the rule of needs and wants. Don't just buy things. Buy things that have importance to your body. They are of importance to your body. Don't just buy things. Are we together? So after this, tomorrow is a weekend. Tomorrow is a weekend. You are going to make a shopping list of your house. This is end month and everybody is doing shopping. Have you heard Johnny? This is end month and people are doing shopping. So make sure you are making a shopping list for your house. I want you to list for me all the things that your house needs, starting from sugar, cooking fat. You are going to help mommy do this shopping list. Are we together? I want a shopping list of everything that you need. Then when you come there, if sugar, for example, we want sugar, we want toy, we want salt, we want soap, we want tea leaves, we want bread, blue band, jam, not all of them. So after you've written all of them, I want you to indicate there W for want or N. Is this a need or a want? For example, is sugar a need or a want? It's a need. Cooking fat, a need. Toy, a want. So when we reach the supermarket, make sure you put a star on all the wants and find out, have I bought all that I need? So when you reach the supermarket, it will help you to understand that things that I don't really need, I can leave them out first. I take the things that I really need first. Then after that, I can see what I have remained with, if it will be able to buy something that I just want. Then remember, when you are going for that shopping, you must spend the money wisely. And after spending the money wisely, remember to leave something for your saving. Are we together? Leave something for your savings. Meanwhile, let's prepare and go visit that greengrocer and see what does that greengrocer has. And are you able to buy something from that greengrocer and again save something after buying? Okay? Are we ready? Yeah, make a straight line. We all go to the greengrocer. It was nice having you around, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.